session, no? Abi ko at ari pa di sa.
Okay, so wala na di sa gilid. So, mayor ni electa ni Cor, no? Session siya kay, kung pa siya, SB pa siya, correct? So, come June 30, ma-swear oath na siya na mag-take over siya as the mayor of the city. Anyway, and then, sino ang sponsors or ang mga witnesses ni Jobert kag ni Jovelyn? Can you please raise your hands? One. Sige. Isa lang laki. Can you please remove your caption? Isa lang laki ang sponsor. Tanan babae. Okay, may. Isa lang laki. Isa lang pinsara, no? So, and then, although sa laid, duwa man lang land, but it's good enough. It's more than two. Of course, ang sponsors ni Jason and Angela. Can I see your hands? Alright. Okay. So, first of all, madaming salamat. Pipiliin nyo ni ang korte. Although you can have your wedding elsewhere, but I am also honored to conduct your wedding ceremony. No? Before kita magkagto sa wedding ceremony proper, may aral lang po tayo kung sa mga simbahan pa nito, si Pastor siguro pa